This is the homework helper for Workbook 7.2, which is entitled Mean, Median, Mode, and Range. As you can see, I'm starting off with question number 1, and the first thing that I've already done is I've put the numbers in order from least to greatest. It's not a necessity for most of these components, however, it does make life a lot easier, so that would be one thing you would see me do right away every single time, and I would suggest you do the same. Put the numbers in order from least to greatest. Okay, so let's start now that we have that done, finding the mean. The mean is the average. Remember, what you have to do first off to find the mean is you're going to add up all the numbers. So you're going to add up the 23 and the 29 and the 35 and the 37 and the 43 and the 46 and the 53. And when you do that, you get 256. And as you see there are 7 numbers, which is the other important factor, because when you find the average, you divide by how many numbers are in the list. And since there's 7 numbers, I'm going to divide by 7, and I end up with 36.57. Okay, let's go on to finding the median. The median is the middle number when they're in order from least to greatest. And as you saw in class today, what we like to do when we find the median is we count in until we get to the middle number, and that is simply the median. That's all you have to do. In this case, the median is the middle number, which is 37. Remember, if there's 2 middle numbers, there's an even number of values in the data set, that is to say. What you're going to do is you're going to add up those 2 middle numbers and divide by 2, and that's the median. Okay, the mode is the number that occurs most frequently in the data set, and in this case there is no number that shows up more than once, so for the mode there is no solution. There can be more than one mode if, say, 2 numbers show up 3 times and that's the most frequently occurring. There could be more than one, but there can also be no mode at all. And then the range of course is the distance between the biggest and the smallest value in the data set. In other words, subtract big minus small. So I'm going to do 53 minus 23, and I end up with 30 in this particular question, being the range of the data set.